Department of Physics came into existence in 1994 with the emphasis on fundamental questions in relation to magnetic, semiconductor, and biomedical devices. And as such, we started as a physics department tackling fundamental issues that relates to real-day application.
It's a very research-active department with a lot of teaching faculty, and our researchers collaborate a lot with industry as well as working with research groups around the country and around the world.
So our department has a multidisciplinary research areas and diversity in the academics and research as well. So we do the research in material science, in optics, in laser, and of course in bioelectric interfaces.
The Department of Physics offers a wide range of interesting courses in nanophysics, in nanomaterials and nanostructures and so forth.
A big part of my research is in finding the means to analyze these nanomaterials. And usually we try to do that optically, with optical investigation. And this is interesting because optics allows very sensitive investigation of materials.
The photonics and optics is one of the most really enabling technologies that's available here, which is closely related to everybody's daily life. So for example, the young people, they're always looking for better gaming experience. Everybody is looking for better internet connections, right? So all of these falls within the remit of optics and plasmonics.
My research group's focus is on energy storage and semiconductor technologies. And so we have a significant amount of research in flow batteries, specifically on different sensors for flow batteries, measuring the state of charge of batteries. And then we have another branch of research on semiconductors, compound semiconductors, and metallization of semiconductors.
So the University of Limerick and Department of Physics have diversity in students. We have students from different backgrounds. Ireland is a booming market in medical field, medical health devices, pharmaceutical, and we have many courses for students in department and of course in the University of Limerick.
The students here at the physics department in UL are the heart and blood of the department. We do research here in our lab, and then we immediately walk 100 meters across the campus to teach the students the fundamentals of the research that we're doing. So it's a very exciting time to be working in this department because we're doing active groundbreaking research, but also bringing students through the education of the physics behind that.
So the Department of Physics has a small but vibrant community, and people very much interact with each other, and they do collaborative research which actually leads to establishing fundamentals of these new materials, but that leads also to fundamentals in physics and science and engineering as well. The department also promotes gender equality.
The Department of Physics was the first and is still the only department in the Republic of Ireland who got a Athena Swan Silver Award. So that tells you that the department offers a very inclusive environment to all researchers from all over the globe.
The Department of Physics at the University of Limerick is a good department to come to. There's a lot of lecturers in the department, more than 80% of the department, that are doing cutting-edge research. They're extremely enthusiastic about their research, but also they're enthusiastic about teaching students.
The department is well linked to other universities in Europe, and we're also well linked to industries around in Ireland.
I think the research that we're doing in particular has a huge focus towards sustainability, eco-friendly materials, eco-friendly battery equipment, and I think the department could act as a really natural test bed for how new sustainable communities can build up in how we generate and store our energy.
I think we have the foundation. We have to create a platform from where we can now continue on a lot of disruptive innovation and outstanding ideas that will shape our future.